So we are always looking for an easier way to do our makeup, especially eyeliner. So in today's video, we're going to test out these eyeliner stickers I got off of Amazon. Let's go. Hey y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to our channel or you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or any products you want to see me try, leave them in the comment section down below. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so I purchased these stickers off of Amazon. They are kind of thin. This is all I got in the package. I did not receive any instructions with it, so I went back to the original Amazon post that I got it off of. Now, if you look in the original Amazon post, it only looks like one of the girls is wearing the actual sticker right there at the bottom. The other ones look like they're painted on. As you can see, the black sticker, and that one's the only one that looks like it's the actual sticker. So, and that's on a few of these. Like, see, that one looks like it's painted on. And so I figured, you know, I'll test these out. Look, that one looks like it's the sticker right there. So, and a lot of these are over eyeshadow. I'm not going to put on any eyeshadow today. As a matter of fact, I'm using basic makeup to see how good these stick just on your skin without any under makeup. And if I need to, I might try it with makeup on, but normally stickers don't stick that well over eyeshadow or anything like that. Now all of these have a lot of glam looks, but the ones that I'm seeing the stickers on don't have any makeup underneath, so except for, well, that one does, but needless to say, we are going to be trying it without makeup on. The only other makeup we're going to be wearing today besides our lip will be our Laura Geller New York eyeliner mascara and our Dolce eyeliner, and then we will be using St. Luke's in Love Letter as our lip liner, and Manna Lip Locked and Amore. So that's what we'll be using on our lips. So let's get started. First things first, we're going to line our waterline so we don't have to mess with our eyes a whole lot after. So as you can see, I am wearing my Cheshire Cat shirt, so I'll be doing purple today. I've had this shirt for years and years and years, and I think I made it in a video actually, but yeah. So okay, this is what they look like, and they're kind of thick, it feels like. So we're just going to peel this off and go right in and see if we can get it to stick. Okay. That brings my eye a little bit down. Let's try that again. They're kind of thick, like, see how thick that is? It's kind of thick, so okay. So we got they're kind of okay. Let's do that right there. It's about as comfortable as I've gotten it so far. Let's do the other one, and I'm gonna give these a fair shot. I'm not just gonna, because they're a little bit uncomfortable, I ain't gonna lie. But we're gonna give them a fair shot. We don't want to just write them off right away. Like I said, I don't have anything on my eyes except for this sticker. Okay. So that's where we're at. I mean, they don't look bad from a distance. And maybe I'll get used to them, so. This one is a little bit too far in. There we go. There we go. Okay, that's more even. Okay, so as you can see, they're kind of thick. They kind of weigh quite a bit on the eyelids. So, it's not like you're wearing like a glitter or something. They are kind of thick, and here at the corner right here, they're kind of pointy too, so you got to be careful. First impressions, with the thickness and stuff, I'm not really that impressed. The look of them is kind of cute. I am going to have to go in with some liquid eyeliner on the inside of my corner, but like I said, today I'm not going to do that because they don't look bad like this. But at the same time, I don't want anything to affect the wear of them because we are testing a durability test, and if they don't work just on your skin without makeup, 9 times out of 10 they're not going to work with makeup on your skin. The stickiness on them's okay. As you can see right here, the corner right here is already coming up. I did have to place it a couple of times, but they should have, you know, the company should know that. I mean, they're stickers, so you're not going to stick it down the first time where it needs to be. But with that being said, we're going to give these a fair shot, and I'm going to go ahead and put on some mascara. And it is currently 2:37 right now. I don't know if you can see that. There you go, 2:37. So that way we could do a wear test. So this is what we got so far. Our eyeliner, we will see, it is coming up in the corners still, but it might heat up to the skin and stay on. So I will do a check-in as soon as I get back from going to get my kids from school. So we'll be back. Okay, so these, as you can see, if you look right there, they are coming up. Let's go ahead and take this off. I've had them on for 2.5 hours now. Yeah, it's 5:04. This piece right here where you're supposed to put it on the outside of your eye, it does poke you constantly, and so does this corner right here. They do come up, they do not stay on your eye. As you can see, it did kind of mold to my eye. So, I mean, it did do that, but it was after a while of wearing it. They remain comfortable, uncomfortable the whole time. I'm not going to wear them. I'm going to go ahead and pass these along to my children. I will give half to my one daughter and half to the other daughter. But yeah, they are in my opinion, worthless. The paper's too thick. There is no bend. As you can see, if you pull on it, it just tears completely like paper. It's not comfortable, and they're kind of too thick, see? So if they made it out of a more flexible material that like formed to your eye and was like more smoother instead of just paper, it would work a lot better, but unfortunately that's where we're at. So yeah, so I do not recommend these at all. I would not purchase these. I wouldn't even waste my money on them. Let's see how much I spent. I don't think they were that expensive, but okay, so they were $6.99. I wouldn't even spend $6.99 on them. In my opinion, they're not even worth the $1. You can get eyeliner and just do it yourself for a couple dollars, and it be more comfortable than these would be in a million years. So they're not Stephanie approved. But if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button down below. And as usual, you have a great day. Bye.